Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, look at outside. And guys, our surprise is out. This thing followed me and now this thing is in our home. Look at this. It's a Asian cat and I don't know where did it came from. And now it started looking at me. This cat followed me from the pathways, and I was near my friend Ursul's car, and this cat followed me all the way at our home. Guys, this cat is so cute. Guys, I did this cat had massage and hair care and went on my friend Ursul's floor, and now she came here. These are our parrots, and she was here. We were letting her from this bed, but she was not good. Hello, now, se bhi sold. Now parrots are in and this cat is out. Look at this cat. This cat is so cute. You're gonna find his honor and then Rian. He's gonna put it and then he will take this cat and we're gonna love her. That's it for this